This is just a brief overview of some of Vertical Wave's viewpoint attributes. And as you can see, I'm now looking at the Vertical Wave viewpoint message section. And I can see that I have one message in here. And if I do a right click on that, I'm able to play that through the speakers of my system. Now I could also pass that off to someone else that's on the network if I wanted to, and forward that message. At the same time, I could annotate a message to that if I wanted to and add a message to it. The other thing you can see in here is the call monitor section. In the call monitor section, I can see everything that's taking place within a phone call. And I'm able to actually attribute or perform different functions within that phone call at the same time. I'll actually send a call to myself so you can see how this works. On the right-hand side, of course, you can see what agents are available, other employees that happen to be available. And so now I'm sending a call to my workstation. So when the call comes in, I can right-click the call, take a message, screen it. I could actually drag this over on one of the other agents if I wanted to and drop it on another agent. When I take the call, if I want to be able to conference that call with other people, I can start to conference that, or I could record the call at this point. At this point, we'll just disconnect the call, turn it loose. As you can see down here, I've got a little contact manager. I could set up contacts in here of people that I want to call, and then whenever I double click those icons, I'm able to send that call out through the system. I've also got a call log that allows me to sort by column, and allows me to see those calls that I placed, sort those calls by phone numbers if I want to, so I can go back and see if there's a number of calls that someone's been making. I can sort those, take a look at those inbound or outbound calls. And this is where I configure my workstation. So I can set up my routing list, set up groups, and don't confuse this with the administrator, because the administrator is much more powerful than this. This is just a user screen that allows me to set up the user status, showing that they're available or not available, set up my greetings, and so on and so forth. The vertical televantage viewpoint is a very powerful part of the vertical wave system, and it really gives me a lot of flexibility in setting up the system and using the system throughout the day. So it really can save you a tremendous amount of time as you're doing your operations and your work throughout the day.